You ever find yourself asking the same question over and over? Like, should I? What if I'm wrong? What if this backfires? Yeah, that's you second guessing. And if you're not careful, it'll talk you out of your purpose one hesitation at a time. But here's the truth. You're not broken. You're just stuck in a pattern. And today, we're gonna break it. You ready? Let's change the game. In case we haven't met yet, I'm Leger Lightfoot. I help clarity-seeking entrepreneurs build businesses that fit who they are, not the other way around. I bet you've been overthinking everything. Start, stop, doubt, delay. Every time you get close to deciding, your mind runs loops and your confidence dips. It's not that you're lost. You just never had a clear path that actually fits you. Until now. Second guessing isn't just annoying. It's expensive. It robs you of time, energy, momentum, and worst of all, self-trust. Every time you hesitate, you're sending a signal to your brain, telling it, I don't trust myself. Each time you hesitate, fear gets louder and faith takes the backseat. Not because you don't have what it takes, but because you're still trying to think your way into clarity instead of moving with it. When you pause, you downplay your power. Clarity doesn't come from thinking, it comes from moving. I'm telling you from experience, I've lived this. A few years back, I hit a crossroads. I could have played it safe, stayed comfortable, or I could burn it all down and bet everything on myself. I was hoping for clarity, maybe get a sign. Instead, I got hit with fear, doubt, and a flood of what ifs. But I moved anyway. And that one decision to move while scared did more for my confidence than any video, course, or mentor ever could. That's when I learned confidence is built in motion. Fear fades when you face it. Here's what second guessing really is. It's a protection mechanism. Your brain's trying to keep you from getting hurt. And then it loops. That thought, that doubt, it replays in the background. Just enough to slow you down. Just enough to keep you from pulling the trigger. See, the problem is that same pause becomes a habit. And before you know it, every opportunity gets filtered through fear instead of alignment. You end up saying no to what you were actually called to do. So how do we break the cycle? You rebuild trust with yourself. And here's how. First, make micro decisions fast. Don't debate for days. Pick a path, move, adjust if needed. And two, track your wins. Write down every time you follow through, no matter how small it seems. Your brain needs proof that you can be trusted. Three, flip the script on failure. It's not a mistake, it's information. You didn't mess up, you learned something. Now do something with it. Don't get it twisted. This isn't about perfection. It's about pattern breaking. You were not created to sit on the fence. That dream in you, that vision, it's not going to wait forever. You see, it feels like caution, like you're just being smart, waiting for the right moment. But really, it's fear, just dressed up in logic. So ask yourself, what would my life look like if I trusted myself just 10% more? What would I say yes to? What would I stop tolerating? So here's my challenge to you. Pick one decision you've been overthinking. Just one. Maybe it's launching something, reaching out to someone, shutting down something that's no longer aligned. Just make the call, send the email, post the video. Whatever your next move is, do it today. Not when you feel ready, when you feel called. Second guessing won't go away with time. It goes away with evidence. So build that evidence and move. Move before the fear gets loud, and remind yourself, you were built for boldness. Do me a favor, if any of this spoke to you, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. And check out my next video, Confidence Isn't the Starting Point, it's the reward. So just block the noise and bet on your gift. I'll see you in the next one.